very delicious fish ceviche. Yes, and it's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Smoked paprika, table salt. I have Himalaya salt, but use the salt you have at home. Cilantro, organic aguacate, cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, serrano chilies. Of course, the chilies are optional. Lemons, and of course the star. I have tilapia fish. This is everything we need to make this delicious and amazing fish ceviche. So let's get started. I want to start with my organic lemons. Look at this. They have no seeds, but yet they have a lot of juice. They might be small, but once you start getting all the delicious juice out, you really get a lot of juice out of these lemons. Well, now I am ready to get the juice out. And look at this. Of course, I'm not leaving anything behind. I want to make sure that I get all the juice out of the lemons because the lemon is going to cook the tilapia. I have about 1 cup of lemon juice. The tilapia is here, and now I am ready to slice it very thinly and cube it. You know something? The reason that I like to slice it very thin and cube it is so that the lemon really cooks the tilapia. Look at this, it's really thin, and when you cube it in very small little pieces, just the same as you're gonna cube all your veggies. Well, now I am ready to start cubing my tilapia a little bit at a time, taking my time, because you know something, this ceviche comes out amazing, refreshing, delicious, and I know that once you make it at home, you are going to continue making this delicious recipe. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Well, now I have all my tilapia cubed, and I'm going to go ahead and add the lemon juice. I'm gonna make sure that everything is covered with the lemon juice. Once you have added your lemon juice, then now is the time to add your spices. But let me show you, the tilapia is still pink and red. It's still raw, but after 45 minutes, it's gonna be really white. You're no longer going to see the red or the pink. I'm adding the Himalaya salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. I'm adding the black pepper, and of course I'm adding the smoked paprika. Don't skip the smoked paprika because that's really going to give it an amazing taste. Once you incorporate everything completely and everything is nice and soaked, well, then I'm just gonna put some saran wrap on the top, put it in the refrigerator for 45 minutes, and then we'll see you back. And I have here all my vegetables, and you know something, let's go and let's rinse one by one. Of course, this is the most important part, making sure that we rinse all the veggies. And here I want to start first with the cucumber. I'm going to take the edges off completely. I'm going to start peeling it, but I'm going to leave some of the skin on. If you don't want to leave the skin on, that's fine. I love leaving a little bit of the skin on so that it really gives it a character to this ceviche. You could see all those delicious colors
it just looks amazing. And you know something, this is very important. You need to remove the seeds of the cucumber. If you leave it behind, your ceviche is going to be very watery, and that's exactly what you don't want. You want to make sure that you remove all the seeds completely of your cucumber and of your tomatoes. Just like that. Once you have all your cucumbers like that, we're going to go ahead, slice them. And after you slice them, you know something? You're going to cube it the same way you cube your tilapia. Look at this. Well, I'm going to continue. Here I am completely done. I'm just transferring it to a plate. And this cucumber is ready. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and I'm going to continue with my serrano chilies. Remember, I love spicy food. If you don't like spicy food, instead of adding the serrano chilies, you could add jalapeno, or you could just omit and use the habanero sauce on the top. I have my tomatoes here, which for the tomatoes, I'm going to remove the seeds. Because like I said, when you leave the seeds behind, your ceviche comes out very watery. And that's exactly what you don't want. You want your ceviche to have a little bit of liquid, but not too much. So now I'm ready to slice it and cube it. Look at this. The colors are going to look amazing once you are done with, dicing all your little veggies. Look at this. Okay, this is done. I'm going to continue with my red onion, and I'm going to slice it and then cube it. You want to make sure that you slice it thinly, but not too thin. You want to make sure that you could even see it in your ceviche. I'm taking the edges off of the cilantro, and I'm going to dice it very finely. Okay, this is almost done. And now I am ready to get the ceviche out of the refrigerator. Look at this. You could see that they're no longer pink. It's no longer red. And now is the time when you're going to add the rest of the ingredients. You could see all that juice has cooked completely the tilapia. Look at this. I have the tomato here, which I took the seeds off. The cilantro. I have the cucumber with those little pieces of the skin on the top. The serrano chilies, nice and diced, really thinly, and the red onion. And you know something? Now I am ready to prepare my cup. And of course, I'm adding a little bit on the bottom. And then I'm going to add a little bit of all those veggies on the top. A little bit at a time, so it starts getting, you could see all those amazing colors in this ceviche. Look at this. Remember to add the aguacate right when you're going to enjoy it, okay? You don't want to add the aguacate right now. Add it right when you're going to enjoy it, so you could see those pieces of aguacates when you're enjoying this delicious ceviche. Look at this. This looks amazing. And I am going to enjoy this ceviche with crackers. I'm going to start adding all those ingredients in here, making sure that I add everything in here and then incorporate it completely. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and incorporate all those beautiful colors. Of course, I have my organic aguacate. And look at this. Now I am ready to just add the whole aguacate in here, cubing it just the way I'm showing you. You know something? My mouth is already watering, and I can't wait to enjoy this delicious ceviche. Mexican ceviche made at home with lots of love. Look at this. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
Completely done with this delicious fish ceviche. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And in this hot weather, this is a perfect recipe. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The flavors are so delicious, so refreshing. This is just an amazing recipe. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best, peace and love, and of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious ceviche made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.